Welcome back. Too many saved alarms can make your clock app confusing and difficult to manage. In this guide, you will learn a quick way to remove all alarms at once on your Android phone in 2026. Step 1. Start by opening the clock app on your Android device. This is the default application used for setting alarms, checking time, and using other clock related features. After opening the app, make sure you are viewing the alarm section from the bottom menu. Step 2. Once you are on the alarm page, find any alarm from the list and long press on it. After holding the alarm for a few seconds, the screen will switch to selection mode. This allows you to choose multiple alarms without opening them one by one. Step 3. Now look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see an option like All, a checkbox, or a selection button. Tap on it to select every alarm saved on your device. All available alarms will be marked automatically. Step 4. After selecting all alarms, tap the delete option or the trash bin icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If your phone asks for confirmation, approve the action to permanently remove the selected alarms. That's it. All alarms are now deleted successfully. You can easily repeat these steps anytime to keep your Android clock app clean and organized.